Hey, it's Brian here from Alltest, and we'd like to show you a couple new arrivals for our chamber department. Over here is a Thermotron SM-8C, and this is 8 cubic foot. It does -70°C to 170°C. It has humidity capability, and this unit has the newer 8200 series controller. Come on, take a look. We also have this beautiful Thermotron SM-8C. Capable of -70 to 170°C with humidity capability and an 8200 controller. So if you need a Thermotron test chamber for your lab, Alltest does beautiful work refurbishing test chambers. Click through to the link below, text, call, send an email. Our team is standing by and happy to help.